Having trouble seeing the security or drivers tabs in your Tesla app? It's a common issue, often stemming from regional settings, app permissions, or account configuration problems. This video will guide you through the fixes, ensuring you regain full control of your Tesla. Let's look at what this looks like in the app interface. Tesla tailors its app based on your region due to varying regulations around the world. Different countries have different privacy laws, safety requirements, and feature availability that affect how the app works. If your account region doesn't match your device's current location or Tesla's service area, important features like security and drivers might be hidden from view. For example, in some regions, Sentry Mode security features may not be available due to local regulations, while driver profiles might be restricted in others. Your Tesla account region is set during registration and can be viewed in Account Settings. This screenshot shows the Account Settings screen, where you can check your region configuration. The registration process, shown here, includes selecting your country or region, which determines what features are available in your app. To resolve region mismatches, ensure your Tesla account's primary region matches where you are and where Tesla services are available in your area. To check and correct your Tesla account region, start by visiting tesla.com/account in your web browser. Log in with your Tesla account credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a region selector showing different countries and regions. Navigate to your profile settings and check the country or region field. Make sure it matches your current physical location. If the region needs to be corrected, update the field and save your changes. After saving, reinstall the Tesla mobile app on your device to sync the region changes. The Tesla app requires specific permissions to function properly, including location, camera, and notifications. Without these, security features that rely on real-time data from your vehicle may not work. For Android devices, go to your phone's settings, find the Tesla app, and ensure location, camera, and notification permissions are enabled. For iPhone devices, access your settings, locate the Tesla app, and verify that location, camera, and notification permissions are turned on. Always check your Tesla app permissions to make sure security features that depend on real-time vehicle data are functioning correctly. The Drivers tab not showing in your Tesla app often stems from incomplete profile setup. Make sure all personal information in your Tesla account is fully completed, including your address and contact details. Additionally, issues with two-factor authentication can prevent the Drivers tab from appearing. Navigate to your account security settings and ensure 2FA is properly configured and enabled. If the security tab is missing, check that your vehicle's firmware is current. Older firmware versions may not support all security features due to missing sensor capabilities. Schedule or install updates through the Tesla app. If region and permissions are correctly set, but the security or drivers tabs still don't appear, start by clearing the Tesla app's cache on Android devices. This removes temporary files that might be corrupted. If clearing the cache doesn't work, completely reinstall the Tesla app. First, back up any important data like saved locations or settings, then uninstall and reinstall from the Google Play Store. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't work, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can provide vehicle-specific advice and further assistance, especially if you've recently moved regions or encountered account migration issues. Have your account details and vehicle VIN ready when you contact them. Looking ahead, Tesla is actively developing AI-driven troubleshooting features for the app. These innovations aim to automatically detect and resolve region and access issues that users commonly face. The AI system will proactively identify problems like mismatched regional settings or permission conflicts, fixing them without user intervention. This represents a significant advancement in app reliability. Central to these improvements is enhanced cloud integration, allowing seamless synchronization between your device, the app, and Tesla's services. This creates a more robust and connected experience. As a result, users will experience fewer reported problems, with the app adapting to individual needs through personalized settings and intelligent automation. To take advantage of these future enhancements, make sure to keep your Tesla app updated regularly. This ensures you receive the latest fixes and features as they become available.